Hi, I'm Ujjwal. For the last year, I have been obsessed with a problem. I realized that studying usually just means struggling with software. You read a PDF here, paste notes there, and try to make flashcard in a third app like Anki. It's messy, it's fragmented, and it kills your flow. So I quit my job to build the solution. This is Brainloom, the world's first learning operating system. Brainloom isn't a storage bin, it's a knowledge factory. I generate a plan, capture the concepts, connect the dots visually, and master it all with active recall. Five separate tools merge into one continuous flow, zero friction. Now let me show you the engine that powers this. This is FlashLoom. Watch this. I'm reading a PDF and I see a key concept. I just highlight it. Brainloom instantly grab the text. But here is the magic. I rotate the card, highlight the answer from my note, and hit create. It links two different sources into one memory. It works for Q&A, multiple choice, and close deletions. From reading to remembering in seconds. But creating flashcard is easy. Remembering them is hard. That's why I integrated FSRS. This is Free Space Repetition Scheduler version 6. It's proven to be 30% more efficient than older algorithms. It schedules review at the exact moment you are about to forget. But if you do forget, in other app, you are stuck. In Brainloom, I added deep context. Click View Source, and Brainloom jumps you back to the exact paragraph in the PDF or the specific node on the canvas where that card was born. For visual thinkers, I built the canvas for speed. You shouldn't have to drag and drop for every single thought. I created a shortcut for everything. Copy your text and hit Ctrl N. It's a node. Ctrl H. It's a heading node. Ctrl T. It's a topic node. Ctrl E. An emoji node. And for editing, just select anything. A node, a connection, a frame, and hit Ctrl V. Brainloom intelligently replaces the text instantly. And for the messy notes, use the AI Weaver to structure your raw thoughts into diagram instantly. Most apps forces you into file cabinets. I wanted an engine. I built the mastery lifecycle. You have active projects, the two or three things you are obsessed with right now. Then completed for mastery and archive to reduce noise. It keeps your focus razor sharp. You aren't organizing files. You are moving knowledge from to learn to mastered. Finally, I believe your second brains belongs to you. Brainloom is a local first. Your thoughts live on your hard drive, not in a mystery cloud. This means zero loading screen, total privacy with your own AI keys. And most importantly, your second brain works forever, even if there is no internet. I have poured everything into making this the most efficient learning tool on the planet. But this is just a glimpse. I have added a link in the description that breaks down every single feature in detail. Click the first link to see what else Brainloom can do. Stop organizing, start learning.